Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your Mint mobile home internet, which is also called MINTernet step by step in 2026, so that you can get your Wi-Fi running in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to start by opening the box. Inside, you will get a 5G gateway device and a power cable. So this gateway is both your modem and router, so you don't need any extra equipment. Now you need to place the gateway near a window and close to a power outlet. This is going to help it get a stronger 5G signal. Avoid putting it behind the walls, near any metal objects, or next to the large appliances. Now connect the power cable and turn on the device. Then wait for a few minutes while it connects to the network. Once you see the signal bars or stable lights, it means that your internet is ready. Now on your phone or laptop, you just have to basically right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of the taskbar settings. Over here, among the given options, click on the option of network and Ethernet. Over here, simply click on the option of Wi-Fi. Now you need to basically try connecting it with your phone or your laptop, and here simply provide your Wi-Fi details, enter the password from the device sticker and connect. Now you can change your Wi-Fi name and the password using the Mint mobile application if you want something more personal and secure. So once it is connected, your MINTernet is fully active and you can now use it for streaming, browsing, and you can connect multiple devices without any extra setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.